Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago and in today's video we are going to cover the Magma Airdrop, which is confirmed. This is on the SUI Ecosystem. This is a SUI Airdrop that we covered in the past but was not confirmed. So now we have confirmation on everything that you can do to participate on this airdrop. This was just launched last week, so this is very fresh. So let's go directly to the content. First of all, let's go into check a little bit about the TVL on the different chains. Here on DeFi Llama, you can go to chains and see everything about that. Here you have your DeFi TVL column, and this is important because part of the valuation of a blockchain is related to the TVL, meaning how many millions of dollars are right now in that chain. And if you are not informed about this, you may think that that is Bitcoin, but actually Bitcoin is after Ethereum of Solana. Ethereum continues to be the leader on TVL, so I'm still super surprised that many people is still bearish on Ethereum, while almost all Wall Street and institutions are engaging with Ethereum Nedd for real world assets and more different type of applications for DeFi. You can see 61 billion for Ethereum, but SUI, which is a chain that we are interested in this video, is here at position 9, battling the position with Hyperliquid that just passed by a couple of billions. So SUI is at position 9, still is a super great rank, and I think it's going to continue going up in TVL at the point that maybe Binance Smart Chain is right now. So in a bull run condition, I think it can do 4x's from the current TVL. Of course, the rest of the projects are also going to be doing some x's, but at the time of recording, SUI is still above Avalanche, Polygon, Aptos, Unichain, and many other important layer 1 and 2. And if you see the chart here of TVL on SUI specifically, from 2024, we have been growing a lot. Last year we were at 200 million, and right now, even with a little of dump, we are at 1.7 billion. Now let's go and cover Magma. We covered it in the past, but like I mentioned in the intro, we didn't have exactly a confirmation about the airdrop. We were speculating. So right now we have confirmation. I am going to show you everything that you can do. First of all, Magma Finance is a cutting edge AMM DX designed for Move-based blockchains. Like you know, SUI is coded on Move, a programming language specifically for this. And Magma focuses on building a sustainable liquidity incentive engine, aligning the interests of traders, governance participants, and liquidity providers, aiming to deliver a DX of the best user experience and capital efficiency powered by SUI network. And from the Twitter account, we can see that the Magma Points Season 1, Mine and Magnify is live. So the wait is over. Magnify, the social mission of Magma Point Season 1, is now officially starting. So here you have a link to the Galxe that I'm going to share with you. This was posted on June 24, so just 2 days ago. And from yesterday we have this post, welcome to the Magma Point Season 1. And here is the things that you need to do. Mine zone, so you basically will need to provide liquidity, swap. You have daily checks and invite friends if you want. And you have the Galxe campaign to participate. So let's go and cover everything step by step. First, here you have the link to join to the Magma Finance application. You can use this refer link to team up with my community to earn points as a team. Seems to be that there is some kind of team reward. So instead of using the application without any referral, seems to be the case that using a referral is going to be beneficial for all the people that are in the same team. So to do that, go to this link. Once you are here, you are going to be the different sections: swap, my position, liquidity, points, and bridge. So go to the points section, click here, bind your referral code quickly, and here copy a referral, and you will be able to post it here and click on confirm. So you bind this code. You will need to confirm the transaction on your wallet, of course. So sign the transaction, so you bind this code into the points program together. Like you can see here, it says bind the invite code to join a team and earn points together. Hey guys, we partnered with What Exchange, one of the greatest decentralized exchange right now in the market. I love that you can see everything on your screen at once. You can connect to What Exchange from different mainnets, and you can see here the list of hundreds of tokens. They are continuously adding more tokens each week. And What Exchange has an active airdrop. They are going to distribute it 30% of the total supply, guys, into this airdrop. So that is why I am super bullish trading here too. You can see here the point section that they added recently, so you can check everything about your progress on this airdrop. And in trading, you can see how many order tokens you earn because they have this payback system from the fees that you pay. Part of that goes back to you on order tokens. So check the link on the description to join to what exchange, trade on the platform, participate on the airdrop of the 30% of the supply, and also get some order tokens back. All the links are in the description. So once you are already there, join with a referral in case that you want to participate. Seems in a pool of points that are going to be rewarded for different teams. Again, that information is not confirmed, but it's what I am understanding for the comments that they posted. You can go to the point 2, which is swap, provide liquidity, but not everywhere. I would recommend you to do it on the target pools. And if you provide above $100 in value, you will be unlocking daily rewards. So it's recommended to put more than $100 here to provide liquidity. Then you will be able to get your daily check-ins and you can invite friends like we did. So let's go and show a little bit about that. So first you can go here to swap. I have here some SUI balance, so I recommend you to swap some SUI for USDC. Remember, you will need to pay transactions on SUI tokens. This is mainnet, so you really need to have funds there. So for example, I will swap 20 SUI, which is at the time of recording 55 USDC. So click here to swap and confirm the transaction. And after you do that, you go to the liquidity section and pay attention to this because you can see here on rewards, these are only the pools that are going to give you points and rewards for the Magma points. So be sure that you see that has the icon of Magma, of course, right? In my case, I'm going to use the SUI with DSE because if you can see down here, it gives you a 2x on the points reward. For example, SUI USDT between USDC only give you 1x. The same happens with BSUI, with SUI only give you 1x. But SUI USDC at the time of recording is giving 2x's on the points, so I recommend you to use this one. Once you are here, just click here to enter liquidity. Like you can see here, 2x on Magma points. Then you can select here the range that you want to provide liquidity. After that, put here the information of the tokens to deposit here and what balance you want to use. And of course, click down here to enter the liquidity. After you do that, you are going to be able to go to my position and you are going to see here your pool. Remember, for example, this pool is $106 in value in total. So that will give you the daily rewards that I mentioned before. So I recommend you to put at least $102 there just to be sure that it's going to be counted. You are going to, of course, get fees from this, getting a TVL. Right now, the APR here is 678%, which is super crazy. This is going to be lower over time. And here you can claim all your rewards if you want. So doing this and swapping, entering liquidity, that will be giving you points. After that, and over time you're going to see your points here. And if you go to this part, the daily points, you can see plus 100 liquidity unlocks your daily points journey. So if you put more than $100 like I mentioned, you will be able to claim these daily points. I already claimed it, so I have 6 points, and in the leaderboard everyone has 6 points right now. This is super new again, but you can see here you will get your liquidity points, your swap points, and referral points if you use them. If you are in my private Discord, remember that you can go there, go to the invitations and referrals, and from there you are going to see all the different referrals that our private users are putting there. So you can use one of them and put yours there, so you share referrals between others. But I also recommend to use my referrals so we team up, because like I saw here, I think if we use the same referral, we are going to be receiving some kind of reward according of what I showed you before here when you bind your referral code. If you need to bridge some SUI into the ecosystem, you can use here the bridge. But basically, this is everything that you need to do in the application right now for this season 1. After you do all that, remember to try to enter liquidity a couple of times, swap over every day if you can. So seems that volume, of course, is going to be important on this. As much as you can stake there on the pools and as much as you can swap, that is going to give you more points. The other thing that you need to do is a point 3, which is complete the Galxe campaign. Here you have the link to the campaign. It's very easy. So once you are here on Galxe, you need to, of course, complete all these points and claim this. Everything is related to the different socials. Follow Magma Finance, get the M-Fire role in Magma Finance Discord. This is very easy, just retweet and like some tweets. Then you just need to visit some pages to claim this. You need to complete this quiz of Magma. Here you have a daily check-in that is going to give you also some points. And here you have some Discord roles that you need to have in order to complete all these tasks. So it's recommended to try to do as much as you can do on this Galxe campaign. This was officially posted on the Twitter of Magma in the X account, so this is probably be count also for the different airdrops that they are going to be rewarding to the users. And finally, the point 4, here is the Medium page with all the details that you need to do if you are interested on reading detail. Everything for the trader, liquidity, referrals, and the daily quest, everything that you need to do, but I already comment everything. Just remember to put more than $100 so you can get those daily points. And you have here some frequently asked questions regarding the points and the system here of Magma Finance. But basically it's what I already mentioned. Finally, we have some confirmation of the airdrop. We have this season 1 points of Magma points. Remember, if you want the alpha, join to my private Discord. The subscriptions are cheap. We also have an airdrop application that you can check there in order to do all the different airdrops that I cover and your own airdrops. And my private Discord, guys, we have more information than only airdrops, of course, even if we are focused on that. We have trading strategies and more, so you can join my private Discord and talk about everything. And I am super bullish on our NFT collection. We launched this almost 1 year ago, and for 5 months we receive a 10% monthly on US value. Right now, our last month, it was a 4%, but anyways, guys, 4% per month is above 50% a year. We are overperforming any other way to earn money outside crypto, and even inside crypto, we are doing with this NFT collection better than most people. So these NFTs value are fixed to 0.1 Ethereum. Right now, Ethereum is cheaper, so you need to put less investment. But remember that we have been outperforming any holder of Ethereum with this NFT strategy. If you bought like I did on August 2024, right now you will be holding more Ethereum and outperforming the market in many ways. So I'm still super bullish on our NFT collection. Even in a month where we almost have a World War III announcement with all the conflicts in Middle East, we were able to earn a 4% on yield farming on crypto. So again, we already passed a couple of rough months like April and February, and now the dump that we have from the conflicts on Middle East that hopefully are already finished. So I'm super bullish because the 4% even in a month with all those conflicts is amazing if you know something about DeFi or economics around the world. Nobody can give you a 4% in a month on your investment that in the way that we did with this NFT collection. So again, I am not always promoting this NFT collection because we really don't need anyone else to buy these NFTs. We are using the money that we already have for our yield DeFi strategies. But if you want to join, you still have your chance to get one of these NFTs and automatically start earning the yield that we distributed each month. So to do that, you have the links for the Telegram channel specifically for this on the description. That will be all for this video, guys. Before we leave, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and follow me at CryptoCState in X, CryptoCState for live action stuff. That will be all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.